Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today's recipe is Veg Makhani or Veg Makhanwala or Subz Makhani. You can call it either of these. It's a mixed vegetable curry in a very rich gravy. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box below, so please do check it out before you start. So let's have a look at the ingredients required to make this dish. So we need mushrooms, baby corn, beans, carrot, capsicum and green peas. I've chopped the mushrooms, beans, carrot and capsicum. I've sliced the baby corn lengthwise. We'll need butter, tomatoes roughly chopped, onion roughly chopped, a few cashew nuts, roughly chopped green chillies, roughly chopped garlic and ginger, cumin seeds, red chilli powder, coriander powder, a little bit of kasoori methi, and we'll also need some cream to garnish the dish and add to the gravy. Apart from this, I'll also be using a bit of oil in this dish. So let's start cooking. I've placed the kadai on fire on medium heat. I put in the butter and a little bit of oil and it's heated up nicely. Into this goes cumin seeds. We'll wait for it to splutter. Once the cumin splutters, we'll add the green chilies, garlic and ginger. We cook them until the raw smell disappears. The raw smell is gone. So now we'll add in the onions. We'll cook the onions until it's pinkish in color. The onions are done. Let's add in the tomatoes. We'll also add in red chilli powder and the coriander powder. Mix everything well and let the masalas cook. I'm going to add a little bit of salt at this stage. Tomatoes have softened nicely. At this stage, we're going to add in the cashews. We'll just saute it for a few more minutes after adding the cashews. Saute the cashews for a minute or so. Now we're going to switch off the gas and cool this paste completely. I've cooled down the masala and made a puree out of it and kept it aside. I've again placed a kadai on the fire. I've put some butter into it. Now we're going to add in the green peas, carrot, and the French bean. We also add in the baby corn. We'll just toss these vegetables in the butter. I've added a bit of salt to these vegetables and we'll let this cook close until they are half done. So these veggies are done halfway through. Let's add the mushrooms and the capsicum. Again, we're going to mix and cook these veggies until they are fully done. The veggies are fully done. So now we'll pour in the puree that we have got ready here. Mix everything together. We'll let this come to a boil for 2-3 minutes. So let's wait for that. This has come to a nice boil. Now I'm going to add in around a tablespoon of fresh cream. I've got some crushed kasoori methi in here, which I'm going to add into the gravy. Give it a nice mix. And the dish is ready. So that's Veg Makhani ready for you. You can have this with rotis, parathas or any rices of your choice. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it out and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.